I've heard people talk about passion before, but you're the most passionate passion speaker I've ever met. And you live it, so it's super congruent with you. It's true.
It is everything. It really is. Like, I tell people it should be, there's only two switches that should happen. You're either on and all in, or you're off and you're all out. Why are you gonna fucking dabble? And if you want to feel something out for a second to make a decision, great. But once you make that decision to do something and pursue something, and you gotta go, or you gotta get out. This just doesn't. There's no middle ground. People think there is, and I don't agree with that. Again, you want to feel something out. Hey, I want to see if I like this. That's fine. No problem with that. Now make a decision. Do you like it or do you not? And if you do like it, then go and never look back, because you'll reach your dreams, your goals. And if you don't like it, that's cool too. Get the fuck out and find something else.
Yeah, life's too short otherwise. There's that expression, it's either a hell yeah or a no.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
And in this world, you can find the hell yeah. You can.
You can.
Just keep looking, right?
You can. And again, like, I've lost a lot of friends way too early. I don't know what it is. I hosted a sports talk show on the radio. My partner, my sidekick, was 38 years of age, diagnosed with cancer, and died at 40. I lost my ex-wife. She was 51 years of age. I lost a lot of people, and which shocks me. And it does really put a reflection, a mirror in front of you, and again, back to the cliche of life is so short, right? It's like, it is. It's so, you don't know. You don't know what tomorrow holds. And so, don't you want to try and live out your potential, find the happiness, pursue what you want to pursue? Not everybody is going to reach the same goals or the same level, and they shouldn't. But we need to find inside of each of us what ultimately is going to make us happy, and try and pursue that. I mean, it's the saddest thing I saw with my ex-wife was, and you went through this in your addiction, is the self-destruction of a human being. The self-destruction, to me, is the saddest thing, because you're seeing the potential of a life taken away by themselves, and that is horribly sad. And so for me, if I'm not happy with something, I change it. If I'm not happy with the diet, I change my diet. If I'm not happy with my exercise program, I change an exercise program. If I'm not happy with a career, I change a career move. And I try and find the happiness. And it's a lot of like heady kind of bullshit stuff, but the truth of the matter is that if you really just reflect on it for a second, if you're feeling it, you know how you feel about life, and why should you walk around just being unsatisfied? Again, it's not about material things. It's not about money. I know a lot of people. How many billionaires that aren't thrilled with their life, or who they are, or whatever. Yet they've accomplished an amazing shit. But the question is, are they happy? We know that cliche again, that money doesn't mean happiness. It doesn't. Yes, it's good to have and can open up a lot of other things for you if that's what you want. But that doesn't mean shit at the end of the day. It's getting out of bed and going, I'm ready to tackle what I'm tackling today. I know you feel that way about what you're doing with London Real. I could see it. Would you do this shit if you weren't?
No.
Of course not. He's not, 'cause even if you made a ton of money on it, you'd be like, I really want to do this. So, you know, I feel like that's what a 20-year-old kid has to try and sort through, you know, moving up in the world. And I do think it's much harder today, don't you?
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.